Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the correct tape and a working dispenser. You want to match tape width to the dispenser slot, for example 12 mm or 19 mm, because misfit causes jams. Once you verify adhesive condition, clean the surface you'll tape so bonds hold. Next, insert the tape roll onto the spindle with the adhesive facing down or per dispenser design, and pull the tape edge forward to the cutter area so you can make the first cut smoothly. Now feed the tape through the guides and over the roller so it lays flat against the dispenser bed. You do this because proper routing prevents twisting and uneven application. Make sure tension is moderate. Tighten the knob or adjust the spring until the tape advances smoothly but doesn't unwind uncontrolled. Once set, pull and cut a few test strips to set the cutter angle and confirm you won't tear the tape. If the tape curls, reduce tension and reseat the roll. To finish, apply tape by pressing the adhesive side onto the work surface and smoothing with your thumb to remove bubbles. Then lift the dispenser to the cutter area and use a firm downward angle to sever the tape cleanly. You do this because steady pressure yields an even edge and prevents lifting later. If the tape sticks to the cutter or jams, stop, reverse the roll a quarter turn, reseat the spool, and rewind slightly so the tape feeds straight. This simple fix resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.